Hi everybody, it's Kim here from Kyms Homestead. How are you all today? All going well, I hope? Well, today I was going to head down to Bunnings and do a little bit of early shopping. Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Definitely. So there's a couple of things I have to go down there for anyway, so I thought I would bring you along with me and you can see what I see. And some of the things I will discuss with you as I'm getting them. And then we'll come back and have a look at everything that I've got. And I will tell you what I've got planned for them. Alright, so I'm going to grab Goober and we're going to head out. Let's go. That one's nice. anyway, we'll just have a look around in the pet aisle and see what we can see. Collars, I don't need collars. Catnip tumbler. What's that one? Hang on. The Easter egg cat scratcher. I like that one. $35, my goodness. Okay, so catnip tumbler. Made to look like an avocado. No, I don't think so. A lot of stuff there for dogs, not much for cats. So let's go down and see what seeds we can find. Okay, so we need sweet pea. Let's see. Early to flower and sweetly scented. Yeah, that one. Highly scented old-fashioned varieties. Unique marbled flowers. rose, yeah, and highly scented. So we've got that one and that one. Also after cosmos, I'll put them in there. Okay, so go, cosmos. That's a mixture of colours. That's all the seeds that I need for now. Coriander. I don't know whether to get coriander seeds or coriander plants. I think I'll see if they've got any plants out there, and if they don't, I'll come back for the seeds. We've got assorted bulbs there from $8. I do like my bulbs, but not planting garlic this year, so I don't need garlic. I wonder if they've got any potato onions in there. No, it's mainly jonquils, which mine are just starting to come up this year. Jonquils or garlic, and I don't need either one of them. I do like some of those ranunculi, and the anemones are beautiful. They'd be really pretty, and there's 35 bulbs. But I don't think this stand is $8. Hello, we've got sweet peas down there already started. No, I'm not ready for them yet.
I didn't go to the first call.
these sun seekers, and these ones are a bit old, but when they're out in like new flower, they are very pretty. Thyme. Don't go through a lot of thyme, so I don't think I need it. Now I am looking for Brussels sprouts, it was too late for me to plant out Brussels sprouts, so I thought I would pick up some seedlings. I would like to get some sweet white onions and sweet red onions, but I don't think they have the sweet. I'm certainly not buying their carrots. No, that's broccoli. Maybe some bok choy. Might not be too hot for bok choy now. One's a bit better. Yeah. need basil. They got Swedes and turnips and spinach. No, I'll come back and have another look down here. Longbok. Brussels sprouts, there we go. But they're in single packs. So, yep, that's a good plant. Well, it's lucky I don't need too many. How many will I get? Well, that's two. I think I'll plant seeds.
No, you're right.
That way I'll have some early and some late. They're still selling cucumbers. It's a bit late for them, but I will have some of this veggie wok. No, that one's got an empty cell. It's bok choy. No, I don't need to pay that much for that. I don't need peas yet. Won't be long and I'll be planting mine. But they do have the wonbok here in the punnets, which is a lot cheaper than round the other side. There we go. Now that'll make some good stir fries. So now, what's around here? The herb aisle, that's good. Coriander, there we go. That's all I need. It smells like soap to me. Chives. I don't go through a lot of chives. Lots of chives. What's this down here? Verbena, lemon verbena. No, don't need it. Sage, I've got shitloads of it. Lemon balm, I've got shitloads of that too, all dried. What have we got here? Oregano, no, don't use enough. Marjoram, no, don't use enough. I go through more dried herbs because I just don't use them enough fresh. Vietnamese mint, no. Tarragon, I wouldn't know what to do with tarragon. Lots of parsley, I've got plenty of parsley in my shade house, seed house anyway. So, it needs another good cut back. There's some big ones of coriander. Fig tree. Star jasmine. I love jasmine. It's a gorgeous scent.
Watch out for all these toes here.
Yeah, love. Thank you. Oh, was that? Oh, yeah, that was.
Is that yours?
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you're right. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, so they're the ones that I'm going to be putting in place of the wicking beds, and they've got 4 here. It's a long colour though. Still, beggars can't be choosers, I suppose. But, oh yeah, what are these ones? Surf mist, that's what I want. And they've got 4 or 5 there as well. So I might have to come down and purchase them. Pea straw. It's $18.98 for pea straw. Then we get the sugar cane, which is $16.98. I've still got almost a near full bag in my little garden shed, so I don't need that. Why do they put them in the middle of the aisle? Crop protection nets, couldn't get them a few years ago. Now they're everywhere. Of course now I don't need them. I love that. But a little expensive for my tastes. Still,
This way.
be great on a patio. If that's all you could have was 2 of those on a patio, you'd be able to produce a lot of vegetables. Huge amount. And it would be all protected. Now, I was thinking of putting in a gazebo in the backyard where the mulberry tree is. Either that or on the lawn. So, this one would be nice. I bet it's expensive though. Yep, $2,500, although this one is gorgeous. But I don't know about wood. It's not much dearer than the other one. This one's $2,749. So it's only a couple of $100 dearer than the other one. What about this one up here? Well, this one is $899. I actually don't mind that. Couple of people to help put it up. Yeah, that'd be nice with my concrete handmade table in the middle, a couple of chairs. I can see myself relaxing after a hard day gardening. Some of the barbecues and smokers, don't need them, don't use them. So, as you see, I had my handyman over the other day, which he finally put the roof on the chook pen, and I got him to pull down part of the letterbox so I can make 2 nice planters out here. And he put in the new letterbox, so new letterbox, new planter boxes, they'll be lovely. All I have to do now is fill that second one up with some compost and some mulch on top, and a bit of mulch on the other side, and it'll be ready to go. So now all I have to do is sort out what plants I want to put in there. And where are we? There we go. My little daffodil bulbs are just starting to come through. So it won't be long and I'll have a whole heap of green daffodil bulbs all greened up, ready for flowering. So that'll be pretty. The ones that didn't flower last year should be flowering this year. So that was our little jaunt down to Bunnings. It's still terribly hot. I think it's about 36, 37 today. So let's have a look at what I got at Bunnings and what do I plan on doing with them. Okay, well, see those 2 grey planters over there? They need to be planted up. So I thought I would have some sweet peas, these ones here, and maybe some anemones, just a couple, and maybe some ranunculus. But those ones I will also put out in the planter out the front, the one that's empty. Then for the bean trellises that I have, I will have what's left of these sweet peas, the nimbus, and the mammoth mixed sweet peas as well. So that'll be nice climbing up those sticks that I've got the beans on as soon as they come out, very shortly actually. Then in the gardens I have some cosmos for some height. Now these ones I was thinking of planting down where I had the corn, so that will give the garden some height and some colour. So I think that'll be quite pretty. It'll also help feed the bees. The vegetables, I've got 2 of the Brussels sprouts. I got 1 of the soap or coriander. Now the Brussels sprouts I'm going to put where I had the cucumbers and the tomatoes this year. The coriander I will plant throughout those beds, just like I did with the basil. Then I have the bok choy, and I think this one here is like the wong bok, or I used to call it Chinese cabbage. Those ones I think I'll plant in the square where I've got the asparagus. I do have to fill that bed right up. And down the back where I had the carrots last year, I will be planting carrots again, and probably peas. Where I had the tomatoes is where I will plant the rest of the bok choy and the wong bok. And somewhere in there I've got to plant some beetroot. So yeah, maybe I'll plant the beetroot where I had the capsicums this year, because the capsicums need to come out and be overwintered, probably in the seed house, so I can put the beetroot in along there. Although I was going to do that full of onions, so we'll see. I'm sure there'll be enough room out there for what I want, because I am going to be pulling down the blue wicking barrels and putting in those garden beds that I showed you. I'm going to pick up 4 garden beds, and as I pull one lot down I can put them up, and then I'll have David over and he can extend the watering system, and then I won't have to worry about watering anything. So that will be one less worry as I get older. So that's what I'll be doing. So that's our little jaunt down to Bunnings. That's everything I got and what I plan on doing with it. Still waiting for the weather to cool down. It's still too hot to do anything out in the afternoons, and I don't move very well in the mornings, so I usually have to wait for a day that's, you know, in the low 30s at least to be able to do much. It's like a hurry up and wait time of year. This is. It's really annoying. Bring on the cold weather. I can go out at any time. Anyway, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our little jaunt down to Bunnings. I know I do. And if you like this video, please give me a big flowery thumbs up, and I will catch you again soon on another video. Bye friends.